show you the Toro Flex Force Power System leaf blower. It has this nice battery, which is kind of heavy to some extent, but it's the Flex Force 60 volt battery, and it has a little power indicator light here to show you that it is fully charged. I think I hit that so it shows. And this, of course, just slips into your leaf blower like that, and then we're ready to go. Now this has a really cool feature because it has 2 power speeds to it. So it has the original, and then if you want to do the super power speed, it can do that. And if you want to lock it to stay on, so you don't have to hold it the whole time, you just... It has a lever right here that will lock it into place so you don't have to hold it the whole time with your thumb, which is kind of a nice convenient factor here. So I'm going to show you how this demonstrates because my patio needs to be cleaned up because we have had a tree that when the leaves pop out, that it sheds a lot of junk, and we got junk and twigs on the driveway, so I'm going to blow this off and show you how this works. There you have it. This is the Toro Flex Force 60 volt leaf blower, and as you can see, I could clean the patio and our driveway off actually in a very short time. So if you have company coming and your patio is kind of a mess, or I like to blow actually the sidewalk off in front of the door, it just kind of helps with the stuff being tracked into the house, and it's a great little machine.